This is how you will access your online textbook. You're going to start on the Cumberland County homepage, ccs.k12.nc.us. Once that page is loaded, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of that page, and you are going to click on Home-Based Login. Once you are at Home-Based Login, you are going to go head on and log in. Once you have logged in, you should recognize some of your apps. Your page may look different than mine as a student. However, you should have this Canvas app and you should have PowerSchool. What you should also see is one labeled EasyBridge. You're going to click on EasyBridge. This is where you will access your online textbook. My page has all of my classes listed. However, on your page, you will only have your class listed. You're going to click over here to the right where it says Realize. Once you click on here, it will direct you to set up your screen. So it may ask you to change your background. It may ask you your preferences. All of that is fine. Go ahead and fill that out. And then you will see you have access to your textbook. So in the green is your textbook. You can click on that. You can navigate it. Once you are in your textbook, it will automatically take you to Unit 1. But if you click on Menu, you have access to a table of contents where you will see every unit, including this toolkit. For your toolkit, you have close reading, writing, research, and program resources. All of this is stuff that is designed to help you. So let's say you click on close reading. You have ideas for how to annotate the text. It will walk you through what you should annotate. So you have access to all of that. If I assign you a test, all of your classwork, any worksheets that I assign you, any text that I assign you, any test that goes along with the selection, you are going to click in this orange box. For me, it says classes, but for you, it will be your assignment. On your page, it may look orange or it may look red, but it should be in the middle. This is how you're going to access your work that I assign you on the My Pearson Realize textbook. Have a great day.